Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Suni Sahu and this is my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about spring and summer fashion trends of 2021. If this is something that interests you, please keep watching my video, and this video will be inclusive for both men and women. If you are a boy watching this video, you can watch this video till the end, and if you are a girl watching this video, you can watch this video till the end. If you like this kind of video, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you didn't like this video, give this video a thumbs down. Subscribe to my channel, click that bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram guys, and without further any ado, let's get into the kind of outfit, whatever kind of style I will be talking about. It is all wearable in day-to-day life, so you don't need to worry about that. So this video will be divided into three parts. First part will include the color category which is in trend. The second part will include the print category which is in trend, and the third part will include the style category which is in trend. But the third part will be further divided into two more parts. For the first part will be for men and the second part will be for women. So I think this was it that I wanted to mention. And also whatever styles that I am going to talk about in this video is everything wearable, so you don't need to worry about that. Everything will be wearable in your day-to-day life, and you can even wear it to your office or formal events as well. So I think that was it that I wanted to mention before diving in. That if you are not interested to watch the whole entire video, you can skip to that timestamp. I will leave the timestamp in the description box below or on the screen. Here it will be popping here, so you can skip to that timestamp and watch that entire thing. And let's get started with the first part, which is the color which is in. So starting off with the colors which is in trend. So this year it is all about bright colors, and this summer is full of colors. This is so colorful, just like Holi which is coming around. So this year it is all about bright pink, bright blue, bright yellow, bright green. Everything bright is in trend, and also brown colors are in trend. I love brown colors, and beige color is in trend. Then sage green color is in trend. So I will be popping the pictures right on the screen so that you have a better clarity which color is in trend and what kind of color is in trend, so that you get a idea of it. And speaking about the color, I wanted to inculcate this topic in this part itself, because I was not understanding in which part should I mention. So I thought, why not mention it in the color category itself. So it is the color of mask which is in trend. Black color mask is in trend, you guys. Be it girl, be it boy, be it anyone, you can wear that black color mask and you will look so good, and you will look so beautiful, handsome, hot, everything of that sort. You will look that. And black color mask is in trend, you guys. I included this in the first category itself because safety comes first, you guys. So here you go, black color mask is in trend. This year prints that are in trend are huge floral prints, animal prints, and also print mixing is in trend. I will leave the pictures on the screen right now so that you have an idea about what I am talking about, because I am not able to explain it in picture will give you a better clarity than my explanation itself. So I will pop the pictures on the screen right now so that you have a better clarity. Now to be honest, now I am not a huge fan of prints in itself. I like to wear solid color clothes without any prints, because that is what is my style. But if you are comfortable enough to, and if you are comfortable and you think you can carry prints, then go for it. This is the time you need to wear those huge floral prints. And I love animal prints. I think so cow print, zebra print are in trend. So if you are someone who likes this kind of print, go. I love this kind of print, and this print trend is for both men and women, so you need not need to worry. So now talking about the third category, which is the style category, and I know you guys are here for that category itself. So as I said, you guys, this category will be divided into two more parts again. The first category will be for men and the second category will be for women. So now let's get with the men's category, men's style category. So the men's category include all the cargo pants, those utility pants, those track pants. They are in trend. And anything and everything which is comfortable is in trend this year. So you, my dear, you don't need to worry about anything. Like, you don't need to be forced to look stylish. You just need to be comfortable to look stylish this year. So yeah, and this year oversized trench coat, oversized denim jackets are in trend. So this year is all about oversize. This year is all about comfort. You don't need to be forced to look comfortable. You just need to be comfortable to look stylish. Oh my god, what am I saying? ठीक है. So this year is all about oversized coat, oversized trench coat, and oversized denim jacket as well. And this year Bermuda shorts are in, you guys, for you guys, and I believe this is such a win-win situation. Like, summers are in, Bermuda shorts are in. Oh my god, you guys are just winning. So men, you will be having a nice summer this year, I believe, and yeah, you can rock this summer with those Bermuda shorts and with a nice oversized t-shirt, and you will look warm, and you can even wear your tracksuit and you will look stylish, and you can, add a nice trench coat or a jacket on top of it, and you would look so stylish. I can't even, like, I have this whole imagination in my head, and I will leave the picture on the screen right now so that you have that imagination as well with me. I am an imagination girl. Like, I imagine everything you say me, like everything you say, I have that imagination into my head. So yeah, topic se bhatakna nahi hai. So cargo pants are in trend, and wide leg jeans are in trend. For boys, wide leg jeans are in trend. I believe wide leg jeans are so comfortable, so are in trend, and I believe this is such a nice trend, to be honest, because wide leg jeans make you feel so comfortable and so homely. You don't even feel like you're wearing something. And now, talking about pants, now as we are talking about pants, I need to mention that dad pant are in. Like, those pants which used to be trendy in 70s, my dear boys, those pants are in right now. And so if your dad has those pants, you can reuse it and restyle it. You can even style those pants with a trench coat, or even a nice blazer for that matter, or even a t-shirt and a denim jacket, and you will look so warm. Like, you would look so put together. You can't, like, I can't even explain, you guys. I can imagine someone wearing that and walking. You would just stand out of the crowd, and yeah. So I think that was it for the men's style category. Now let's move to the women's style category. Now talking about the women's style category, then we have the balloon sleeves, you guys, and balloon sleeves is such a versatile outfit in itself, versatile thing in itself, that it makes you look so put together, and it is even kind of romantic as well to wear that thing. So I can imagine someone wearing a midi dress with a balloon sleeve, that would look so warm. And now, while we are talking about balloon sleeves, I think I should even mention that crop tops are in, and crop top with a balloon sleeve looks bomb. So you guys, we all have a win-win situation. While I'm talking about crop top, high-waisted wide leg jeans are in, you guys. And what will balance a crop top? Only a high-waisted jeans can balance a crop top. So high-waisted jeans are in, and wide leg jeans, because they are comfortable. As I said this year is all about comfort and being stylish. So wide leg jeans are in, and also those pants, like as I said it in the men's category, like dad pants are in, which used to be in 70s. This year, women can also rock those dad pants. If your dad owns one, go and reuse it, and you will look so stylish, so put together. I can't even explain, you guys. And I believe that was it. Yeah, that was it. So guys, that was it for the video. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, give this video a big thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give this video a thumbs down. I want to know both the things. And subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and keep smiling. Bye.